Hello everyone, it's your boy Rico the Best, and in this video I'll be doing an unboxing on this Jeecoo. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Jeecoo V22 gaming headset, and it's by Xiberia. And on the box here we can see that it's a Chinese company. It shows you the feature of this headset. Then again, it's the V22, so I think this is the latest version from Xiberia. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box and take a look on this gaming headset. So everything comes inside a bubble bag. Let's take everything out. What we have here is, first thing, the gift card to probably get more stuff from them, or some gift or whatever it is, or maybe extend your warranty. We have some Xiberia information in Chinese, user guide, and it tells you how to set it up to a PC. And this headset comes with a 7.1 surround sound setup, so I guess you could download an application or a driver software, whatever the case may be, but we're about to find out in a minute. So here is the headset. It's super big, it feels quite comfortable. The quality feels better than the Red Dragon headset that came with that combo. I'll place a card in the video right there, so you could go ahead and watch that one. So I think the sound quality on this should be better. We have a controller right here. Okay, so this is like for style, but the volume up and down is right here. And we have one to mute your microphone, and the other one seems like to turn your light on or off. So let's get straight into it. The wire feels sturdy. It is also like a braided material. Let's go ahead and plug this in, and by doing that we see light on each sides, multicolored. So the first thing I'm gonna try is to press this button, okay, and right away it turns it off, on, off, on. So I'm gonna run back to my instruction to see what application I need to download or install, because I believe within that application you should be able to customize the light. Okay, so I just put on the headsets. They literally cover my entire ears. So these headsets actually sit all the way over my ears, so they will block out any outside sound, so you could concentrate on your gaming. So while I'm looking at the user guide, it tells you the writing is pretty small, but you could go to www.xiberia.net/download.htm. Let me see if that would show on the camera. Okay, there we have it. So I'm gonna do that and get back to you guys. Okay guys, I am back, and tell you the truth, I'm having an hard time to download from this site. Maybe I should show you guys what it looks like. But by me plugging in the USB in the computer, the earphone works, the microphone works. I was just trying to see if I could get this application to see if I could do some customizing or if I could adjust the light, but it doesn't seem like I can do that. So if you're able to customize your light or do some enhancement to the sound, you could just drop me a comment below in this video and let me know. Alright, so this is the website, guys, and this is all I'm seeing. And when I try to hit this down arrow for download, it takes me to this website, which all I'm seeing is Chinese. I'm not sure what this is, what it is asking for me to insert. Maybe I would have to probably use Google Translate to see if that will help me, but I'm not willing to go that far. So if you are able to download anything, you could just drop me a comment and let me know. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and if you do, I want you to leave a comment. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting a link down in this description for this earphone or headset, you may call it, and I paid $45 for it on Amazon, so the link gonna be below in the description. As you can see on the camera, it carries a cushion up top, so you don't have to worry about this plastic piece might be hurting your head or anything like that. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.